Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of trail. A mark or a series of signs or objects left behind by the passage of someone or something. For example, a trail of blood on the grass. The second definition of trail. A long thin part or line stretching behind or hanging down from something. For example, smoke trails. American pronunciation. Trail. Trail. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Trail. Say. Trail. Trail means mark or series of signs or objects left behind by passage of person or thing. Trail. Trail. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. I spotted trails of blood the glass had caused, but ignored them. Now, repeat after me. I spotted trails of blood the glass had caused, but ignored them. The second practice. We'll never know because electronic voting machine don't leave an audit trail. Now, repeat after me. We'll never know because electronic voting machine don't leave an audit trail.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.